Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today we've got a nice heavy 9-drawer dresser that we're going to put some color on, so follow along. Alright, we got the tent set up, block that hot sun here in Phoenix. We're going to remove all the hardware, remove all the drawers, check the subframe, make sure everything is in good shape. Overall, so far the piece is in really great shape. So we'll put a sand on it after we get the hardware off. We'll knock it down and then we can start painting this piece. So hardware first, then we can start that sanding. Here we go. Alright, all the hardware's off, everything looks good. So we're going to have to hand sand the drawers. We're going to have to hand sand this little groove area here and up here. Everything else looks pretty flat, so we'll be running the DeWalt sander with 80 grit sandpaper over it. Lots of sand here, but heavy duty wood, so that's really nice. So let's get started on these drawers first. Alright, Marie's already started on it, but we're using our Glidden.
You were taking too long.
Flat. What color would you say this is?
Like a very light blue.
Very light blue is what we're using today. So, 2 coats on everything. We'll scuff sand it afterwards. We'll do all the drawers, and then we'll start on this frame. So, I'm going to try to prolong this as much as possible before I have to start painting. Maybe she'll get a couple drawers done.
Ha ha ha.
Alright, we have a project ahead of us. I'm going to sand all this down. Now, if you like the solid look, leave it. Continue on to waxing, but we'll hear Vintage Statements. We're going to add a little scuff to it. So, got my old 80 grit sandpaper that I used to scuff this up when I started. Still good paper. So, we're going to go right over this, just do a light scuff over it, give it a vintage look, and then we can start waxing our pieces. Alright, we are to a point where we've scuffed it down, vacuumed it up, and now we can wax it. So today we're going to use our Varathane natural, it's like a beeswax, get it at Home Depot, an old sock, looks like it's one of my old socks. So it should look or work really well for you. So we're just gonna go over everything real nice while Marie is, and then I'll start putting the hardware on after. So let's get started.
All right, quit talking. Get to work. All right, here we are with our finished piece. We had 2 coats of paint, scuffed it up, waxed it. It's a very, very light blue, so it could definitely go with anything in any room. It's a 9-drawer dresser. They all pull out really easily, pull back in nicely. So if you like this piece or any of our other piece, like us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, subscribe to our channel, and let us know what you think.